Are you looking for a stapler that is powerful and reliable? Let us introduce the 8016J Air Stapler. This stapler is proudly made in Taiwan, a well-known worldwide for precision manufacturing and exceptional quality. While you're binding in craftwork or light woodworking, it delivers smooth and consistent performance every time. It is lightweight, comfortable to use, and built for everyday work. You get strong, reliable results that save you time and effort. No more frustrating jams. No more weak or unstable fastening. Whether you're a professional or someone who enjoys DIY projects, this stapler will become one of your favorite tools. Choose the 8016J Air Stapler and experience the difference in your daily work.